Labeling format, standard, Switzerland, Romania, Czechia. More formats can be added in the future. Defining distance from label to section. Selecting label options for loose rebars. Label description can be taken from your setting in Allplan. Select label options for linear distributions. Add custom text. Click to this button. Select the drawing will contain the reinforcement. Then select the drawing will contain sections and label. Click a point in plan view to create sections with label. Reinforcement and section will be created in different drawings that we selected. Select all sections and label, then make a move command to refresh the label. Defining more advanced parameters for label and expand. Checkbox to define which type of rebars will be labeled. Add custom text for rebars if needed. Defining whether to show bar markers. Minimum opening to label for opening rebars. Switzerland labeling format. Romania labeling format. Czechia labeling format. Visit our website, alltosoftware.com, to get a free trial of all Python parts.